Hello friends, welcome to S Learning. Today we'll see how can we make different types of mastic images. So I will show you one type of image in this video. Later on I will create another video for showing different types of mastic images. So first of all you need to install and this Snapseed app which is provided by Google. So go to Google Play Store and search this Snapseed. After downloading and installing, you have to open this app. Now click on this open button. I am showing for example this type of images in which mastic is playing a violin, and you can edit any song name here as your favorite song name. So open this image first. You have to create such type of image in which mastic is acting like playing a violin. So this type of images you can create and to hold this mastic during the when you will click the picture, you can use wire or a small thin cable uh, and tie it to head of the mastic and just simply click this type of picture. Okay, so after clicking this, open it in Snapseed, and you can see various options here at right side, like portrait, smooth, pop, and various faded glow. There are various options. You can choose anyone. I am keeping this current version only. Click OK. So now to remove this wire portion, just click on this pencil. Now from here, healing option. Just rub the part which you don't want. You can rub this hand portion too. So healing is used to remove the unwanted part in your image. So once healing part is done, you will see image. Once this part is done, just save this image. So after opening in this Pixar tab, so first option just crop this image. I have this type of base, so I am just cropping it. So this looks good. Click on OK. And now for adding violin and other things, so you have to click on this sticker icon here at the right side. Search for violin. So you have this option, just open this one. Now rotate it little bit and adjust it with the hands of mastic like this. Okay, so now to add the violin bow that is violin stick, again click on this sticker icon. Take any violin stick like this for example. Now we want only stick part from here, as sticker is violin sticker is not available on PicsArt directly, so I am providing this option. So just rotate it like this, decrease the size. Now to remove this extra violin part, click on this second option from left side. Click on invert. No need to click invert, just swipe this, so the extra portion will get removed. Okay, now you can see the stick is in hand and the mastic is playing violin. So click on OK now. Again OK. Adjust the violin and stick as per your mastic is. So now you have to add song name. So I have taken the screenshot of Spotify. So to add that, just click on add photo option here. Take the screenshot like this. Now just crop this image like this. Click OK. So if you don't want this black border part, so don't worry, PicsArt provide option like blend. You can see at right side blend. Click on that. Now if you see screen, multiply, darken, lighten, so the best option we choose this on this type of image is like a screen. Now you can see the black portion is gone, only the play button and forward backward option is there. So adjust this as per your frame. Now click OK. So after clicking this, again go to Snapseed. Yeah, but before that I forgot to mention one thing. You can add the music symbol also. So for that, click on sticker, search for music symbol. Now you can select this one like this type of music symbol sticker. So manage the size of this. You can rotate it also as per your choice. Now if you don't want to like display that black white portion in background, just go to blend option, select here from screen, multiply, darken, lighten, and check whether the white portion is going out or not. So if you select darken, it will go out like you can see here. So click on OK. Now you can, yeah, so after this, save this image in PicsArt and now open in Snapseed app again. So in Snapseed, open the latest image which we have saved in PicsArt. So here is our image. Now first part is to edit the song name. So for this, click on this pencil icon at right side, go to text section in last row. Now simple, you have to add, you can see the double tap here to change the text option is there. So double tap and give the song name, your favorite song name. For example, I am giving here this song name. Oh my bad. So once you edit your song name in text section, you can add it here. Set the suitable size. So yeah, that's all you have to do. And now you can enhance the image by like providing details to it. There are two options in detail, structure and sharpening. So also there are tune image option is also available in this contrast, saturation, ambience, various options are there. So you can select and change it anything from there. So this is how we can create the mastic image like this. So there are also many more images, so I will make another video on that. Till now, stay safe, stay home, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel AS Learning. Thank you and have a nice day.